guys, Kingsflyer here for RCGroups.com and Flying Giants. Today we're going to take a look at this new RV-4 model that's come out from Hangar 9. The master designer, Ali Machinchi from Horizon, did a wonderful job of scaling this model down. Now, for anybody that knows the RV-4 series of home builds, you'll know that all of their owners and builders are pretty rabid about this particular style of airplane. The reason is it flies nice and easy, and yet it's real nimble on the sticks, and you can actually do some sports aerobatic competition with the thing. So what a neat plane to model. Now we're going to take a look at the inside of it and see what it took to get this thing ready to fly. This RV-4 is designed as a 30cc class giant scale model. Now, it turns out it's actually about a 30% scale, and it was designed for either gas, glow, or electric power. So this nice big old cowl up here will easily fit the Evo 33 gas engine or the Sato 182 glow 4-stroke, or in this case, the E-Flight Power 160 electric motor. Now this Power 160 is turning an 18-inch prop, and it's running on 10S through a Talon 120 ESC. Now this ESC has 20 amp BEC capabilities, so I'm not running a separate BEC or a separate battery pack on this model. One of the features I really like on this airplane is the scale detail in the cockpit area. Not only do you get the protective roll bar in the seats, but you get a 30% scale pilot figure and a nice looking glass display for the panel. When you pull the hatch off, you can see just how much area you're going to have access to all the goodies on the interior of the fuselage. Let's take a look. Now the batteries in this case are two 5,000 milliamp hour 30C 5-cell E-Flight batteries. Now they power this plane just fine and give you plenty of power for 7 minutes of aerobatic flight, or you can stretch it out to 10 if you use a little throttle management, just shoot, touch, and goes. But plenty of time to fly. The receiver I'm using in this RV-4 is the Spectrum AR9350 programmable receiver. The programmable function is that you can program in the AS3X for assistance at any level you want, or just use it as a plain 9-channel receiver. In this case, I've got 3 different levels of AS3X. I've got AS3X off, mild AS3X, and moderate AS3X. The servos in the RV-4 are the Spectrum A6180 digital metal geared servos. These have about 91 ounce-inches of torque, and they're plenty powerful for this airframe and plenty responsive. For those of you that notice this extra battery pack here on the side, I'm using an 850 milliamp hour 3-cell pack to drive the landing lights on the wings. Now the lights are switched on and switched off by an ignition kill switch that's running on the flap channel. So the lights come on when the flaps are mid-flaps or full flaps, and they go off when the flaps come up. Alright guys, that completes the intro to the new Hangar 9 RV-4. Man, I like the way this thing looks. Well, we'll get it up in the air in the next video segment, and you can look at the full review on RCGroups.com.